Some trash from outside my front yard, and I noticed this bird's nest. It's pretty cool. I just want to take a closer look because I never really had a good close look at these bird nests. But the way they weave them together is pretty interesting. So they use these little twigs, mash up a bunch of cotton that they find. And I guess it must have fell out of the tree, or maybe a crow got at it. I don't see any eggs, which is good. Yeah, so that was pretty neat. Maybe what I'll do is I'm gonna go and put it into a tree or something. That's the where I found it. I'll probably put it up like in here. Let's see, I can put it up in here, really nice and snug. Right there. There we go. Alright. Some other bird won't have to go through all the effort now. That's a nice spot. Away from all the crows. Yeah. Alright. What's up? Repay signing out again.